So, we've been talking a lot about Jack Smith and his imminent indictments regarding the January 6th insurrection. We know it's coming soon. It could be any day right now. But while we're talking about that, I want to make sure we don't forget about Georgia because that's coming very soon. We know it's going to be in the first or second week of August. It is imminent. There are going to be indictments. We heard something today that kind of interesting. It's said to be coming from people in the know. Whether that's true or not, I'm not sure, but it makes some sense. And it appears as though Fani Willis is not looking to just make any old indictments. She's looking at widespread RICO charges, racketeering, which means it involves a lot of people. That's the intriguing thing about Georgia. We know that Donald Trump made the call to Brad Raffensperger, but we know Lindsey Graham made two calls. We know Mark Meadows and Rudy Giuliani went to fucking Georgia to talk to these people. And now these racketeering charges, these RICO charges, this spells big trouble for Donald Trump and anybody else, including Lindsey Graham, because there's one big problem for them. If they get convicted in the state of Georgia, there's nobody on the federal level that can pardon them. Not even a president, not even if it's Donald fucking Trump. Nobody can pardon them except for the governor of the state of Georgia. And we know that Brian Kemp isn't pardoning anybody, even though he is a Republican. So let's get excited about the January 6th investigations and the imminent indictments. They'll likely come before Fani Willis's indictments. But I'm especially interested in Fani Willis's cases and what she's going to bring. She doesn't seem like the kind of woman to fuck around with. She's kind of no nonsense. She's been working on this a long time, and I think she's going to make it work when it happens. I think Donald Trump, Lindsey Graham, and all these people are most fearful of Georgia. So I'm anxious to see what's coming. And so in the first couple of weeks of August, that's time to get the popcorn because that's when the shit is going to happen.